can I say? Just not going to wait around waiting for paint to dry. Put my damn gun back together. This thing looks freaking amazing. Oh my gosh, just so nice. It's kind of fun to know that I've had absolutely every single piece of this gun apart and done something to it. I mean, everything from the extractor claw to the trigger, the mag release button. I even repainted my safety dot, shroud bolts. Not a thing on this gun has not had me do something to it. Got the buttstock fully collapsed, no springs in it. It's a simple mod. You just take the springs out and push it all the way forward. It stays there by itself. Angle 4 grip. Love this camo pattern. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Fun stuff, guys. And everything's functioning. There you have it. No lube in it. I didn't want to get oil all over everything. I just wanted to assemble. I can always lube it up easy enough. Sorry about the finger. So, love how all the color match stuff instead of all these different kinds of black and silver and this and that, just all color matched. And have no idea about durability, guys. You know, obviously the longer you let everything cure, the better it is. I mean, I've hardly let this cure 8 hours and I'm already messing with it. But that's because it's my gun, and if I screw it up, then I can cry about it. Yeah, I'm going to take a little break here, and then I'm going to come back and start fiddling with all the really fiddly little bits and see if I can get them all together. I don't know. We'll find out.